We have called the media for this workshop because we understand the role that the media play in the fight against doping in sport. We know that we want our athletes to run clean, and it's the clean athlete that we are protecting. And the media usually help us in churning out the stories of what anti-doping is all about, how the athlete can run clean, why it is wrong for athletes to dope, their rights and responsibilities, what they need to do just to understand this whole anti-doping space. And who better than the media to put out the story to help us. And so one of the reasons why this meeting is quite important, this workshop, is so that we can help the media get their stories right. We want to press it upon them that anytime they have a story to churn out, let them call us as anti-doping, just to get some facts right, so that when they're putting out their story, they have a story that is factual and that cannot be taken to court because of wrong facts.